perfect pre-dawn landing for Space Shuttle Endeavour this morning at Cape Canaveral. It touched down at 2:35 a.m. Eastern Time.
Main gear touchdown. Drag chute deployed by Greg Johnson.
It ended Endeavour's 16th and final mission. NASA says what appeared to be flames were just gases venting from the auxiliary power unit. As Endeavour landed, Shuttle Atlantis, the final shuttle to take off, was actually rolled out. It will be the blast off, the last one, on July 8th.